Odessa and Tracy AM, and we picked up these two vehicles yesterday to get an early start to Vallejo this morning. So our plan was to already be en route to Vallejo. However, last night another vehicle came out on the low board that's also going to the same dealership in Vallejo. So we came this morning. He's going to go ahead and unload these two. We're going to go into the auction, get one Toyota Camry, I believe, reload these, and then off to Vallejo. So this happens quite often.
Yeah, this is ready for you.
We unloaded both vehicles, left one on the ramp and then one right behind, so that it's easier once we come out. We'll go ahead and reload them along with the other one. Now it's 7:45, but a lot of times they let us in a little early. And he just moved the car that was here blocking. He put it over there, but the car that we're taking won't start. He's gonna quickly give it a jump. Like I've said, there's jumpers. There's one over there, but sometimes they're not close by, so it's always a good idea to bring your own jumpers. Yep. Now he's gonna back this all the way up because of course we have two other vehicles that fit on the trailer. I always get scared he's gonna go over that steel metal strip. It'd be difficult to do. So he backed it all the way up. There's at least a 2-foot overhang in the front. He gets off, make sure it's aligned where he wants it.
Bring in the SUV.
Yeah.
It's ready.
All right.
Bring it in.
I'll bring it in. It's gonna be 104, I believe.
Oh, that's perfect right there. All right. Get the truck.
All right.
I have never pushed this trailer for room. Let me get this right here.
What did you do? Oh,
It's not what I did. It's how you have to do this. You don't have a choice. Look, follow me so you get more stuff. So if I go forward, I'm using the hook right now.
Yes.
That worked out good. I didn't like this tire on this right here.
Oh, okay. So if you would have went forward, the tire would have still been on that metal strip. And that's what he didn't want. Now there is quite a bit of an overhang. Of course, he's gonna put a flag.
So there was a reason for you going forward and back, because for me to get this, well, for me to hook the
rear strap,
back,
yeah.
I had you go forward and then you back up so I could pull the rings up. You
Yes,
see that?
yes.
It doesn't give you too much room to play with. Any questions?
Not yet.
Okay, let me strap this. I gotta go.
There's a good maybe 5-6 inches there. And like I said before, a couple of feet in the front. Now, if you have a newer Kaufman trailer, of course it comes with one hook in the front. But as you know, vehicles are different. They have different widths. They have different widths. So they sell these These hooks at Home Depot, they were $9.99, but of course everything's gone up. So they may be maybe $12. And then you have your welder weld them on. So it's good to have. Also, he had these installed. These rings, they're rings, not hooks, sorry. He had these rings installed also at Home Depot, and he put 2 on either side of this railing. It's not a railing, is it? 2 on either side of this. That way he can strap the vehicles when the vehicles are over this area here. What he also did is, of course, because vehicles are sometimes narrower, this is the original ring, but he had this one installed here, one on each side, whenever there's a narrower car. So those are little things that you can do to make your strapping a little bit easier. This is very last drop. If you have any questions and any comments, please drop them below. We'll be happy to try to answer those for you. If you have any suggestions, please let us know. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. 8:50. We drive through here about 9:30 and it's all cleared up. It's 10:18 and we already made it to our destination here in Vallejo. And we're going to go ahead and deliver all 3 of these vehicles to the same dealership. It's 10:43. All vehicles are delivered. And we are finished for the day. Of course, we have about an hour and 15-minute drive. But since it's going to be 104, it's nice to finish early. And of course, we were able to finish early because we pulled 2 of the vehicles yesterday, so we only had to pull 1 today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. And thank you for watching. We're entering Sacramento County line.
Thank you for watching. We're going to end the video.